welcome to lesson 7 in Arabic letters teaching. Today we have also a specific letter in Arabic language, but it is more common in some Western language. This letter is same like previous two letters, J and Ha. But the dot in this time will be up here. We can write it in the beginning of the word like that. In the middle, same, but in the end we have to add a tail or extension like that. This letter we call it Kha. Kha. Usually it will be expressed like that. Kha. Like in Khalid. So I think in some countries he pronounces as Kha, or but in Arabic it's Kha, and if we express it like KH, so how we say it, if we put the Fatha opening like Kha, if we put it Kasra down, it is Khi. Okay, and if we put the Dhamma like comma, it will be Khu. You should train yourself on this pronunciation for Kha. Thank you for watching and follow up for more.